So outside this door right now lies my new part that came in today. I cannot even explain how excited I am right now because I've been waiting for this all week. Came from Cali. Whoa! This thing on the side for you guys or else you'll see the brand, but here it is, guys. My axle back is officially in and I'm super freaking excited. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing opened. I'm not gonna really talk much about it because I can do more videos upon request, but we get this thing open. I want to get it installed before I lose daylight because I do want to go rip around in it. And we're gonna be wrenching in the Crocs with no socks. You guys can see, gotta love these babies, guys. Croc gang. Off-road use only. I don't know who would do such a thing. I don't know who would buy like 6 exhausts and like 6 mufflers and then sell them. Oh my god, look at this thing, dude! And they even gave me new exhaust spring bolts and a gasket. Like, okay, I mess with that. Got midnight chilling. This thing's literally been sitting for like a day, guys. Look at all that rust right there. I got all this freaking dirt on my wheels because it rained like crazy. So she's definitely due for a car wash. But I gotta tell you right now, guys, I am super freaking excited to hear this. Went through like 25 exhausts and mufflers, but it's always fun when you get a part, and I got a good deal on this. So real quick, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a sound test because I want to hear it. Also, I want you guys to hear it. So the stock exhaust obviously is not really that loud, but with a header, it kind of opens it up a little bit. Stands, sockets, jack, PB blaster, anti-seize, and I got all my hardware right here. So I'm just gonna jack this thing up real quick in the back, guys. It's an axle back. All you have to do is jack the car up, access the 2 spring bolts on the back already, and then take those out. You'll be able to take the stock muffler off. There's a little rubber bracket in the back. So I got the back jacked up. Look at that meat, guys. Look at that tire meat right there. 2 spring bolts are literally right there, so I can access those pretty easily. This is the axle back that I was talking about, like maybe a month or 2 back that I wanted, and they honestly sold out, so I was like, great. And then I found a seller on eBay. Shout out to the homie, Undisputed FG2. I can't remember your name, man. I'm horrible with names, but you notified me that these things were in stock, so gotta love it, guys. Picked this thing up on eBay. Look at that package quality, guys. Really good material for the package quality. They even put cardboard around the tip, which is baller. Pretty solid welds, as well as material. I want to measure where the gasket goes here. 2.5. Thing looks way higher quality than my Yonaka was, but it reminds me a lot of the Yonaka design, and that's why I bought it. Like, honestly, I miss the Yonaka. It's just the material wasn't the best, and like it broke down from the header heat. So hopefully this does not happen to this one because I like the styling of this. It's like a Yonaka lookalike, but hopefully the sound's a little bit different. Alright, you guys can see the stock axle back is disconnected. Alright, stock cap back is out. All right, so let's see what the stock measures in at. About the same, 2.5 inch. Look at that, nice shiny new pipe, guys. You can even see my reflection on there. This thing looks literally like the Yonaka and a Q300 combined, like the whole box right here. But look at this. Even comes with a silencer in there, guys. Side by side, honestly, the only difference, maybe like the internals on the box, as well as the exhaust tip right here. But other than that, guys, I mean, everything is very similar, but I'm not really doing this for a power mod. A lot of you will be like, oh yeah, go 3-inch or go full exhaust, this and that. Guys, I had a Skunk 2 Mega Power R. I freaking miss it. But when you start toying with the mid pipe, that's the only problem I was having. So yeah, maybe I would have kept the Skunk 2 Mega Power or the Yonaka muffler, just the muffler only, for the stock mid pipe over all the other mid pipes, because to me, I think it maintains the factory torque as well as the sound quality. So I think with the header and this axle back with the stock mid pipe, guys, that's the only thing I'm gonna need for sporty exhaust sound. So hopefully it sounds good. I cannot wait to turn this thing on. Let's get back to wrenching here. See on the side of the muffler, or the axle back right here, that this is one of my brands that I've always wanted to rock, and it's a Megan Racing. Other than the HFP muffler or axle back, this was the most appealing to me in terms of styling and in terms of sound. You can see right here, got the Megan Racing. Just want to show you guys something. Literally direct plug and play, guys. Bolts right up to everything. I just got to put the exhaust spring bolts in there, but look at this thing. I got to push these back a little bit further. Alright guys, as you can see, everything is installed. The finish looks absolutely amazing. If you're looking back here, it doesn't protrude out too much. It looks like stock, pretty much is stock, minus like the sound probably. And it doesn't, it's like flush with the bumper, guys. Like if you're looking here, honestly, with the silencer on, guys, I started the car and it sounds like, it literally sounds almost like stock, maybe slightly more aggressive, maybe like almost like an HFP. But I'm about to get an Allen wrench to remove these two silencer bolts right here so I can start this thing without the silencer, because around here we don't mess with exhaust silencers. I think I had one on for like an hour before when I had a different exhaust, and I'm like, yeah, forget that. There's the silencer. This thing is so corny. Alright, so I gotta pick up all this crap right now, guys, before we can go take a rip. Honestly, it's quieter than I thought, which is good. It's probably gonna get a little bit louder. And also keep it, no, I was only revving at like 3K. So this thing is probably gonna sound sweet while I'm actually driving, and then up in the high end power,